How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash App. Then you will be able to find the option of USD right above the numbers. Just select it. Then you will be able to find the option of buy Bitcoin. Just simply click on it. The screen might turn black, so just focus on the voice in case if the screen turns black. Click on the buy Bitcoin. After that, click on buy Bitcoin again, and now you need to just type the amount that you want to purchase, and this way you would be able to purchase the Bitcoin on Cash App using the funds that you have. Just get back in order to send Bitcoin to another wallet, and in order to send Bitcoin, just simply type the amount that you want to send. Suppose I want to send $50 worth of Bitcoin. I will just type 50 over here, then click on the option of pay. After that, select the option of Bitcoin in the send as section. Just simply select Bitcoin. Now enter the cash tag of that particular wallet where you want to send the Bitcoin, and also you can add a note if you want to add. Then click on the option of next on the top right hand side corner, and this way you would be able to go with the process and after following this process, you will be able to send the Bitcoin from your Cash App to another wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.